Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your DeviantArt account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly authenticated and secured. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official DeviantArt website. Make sure you are using the correct URL to avoid phishing sites. Step 2. Log into your account using your registered email address or username and password. If you've forgotten your login credentials, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or settings menu, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Click on Account Settings, Profile Settings, or a similar option from the drop-down menu to access your account management area. Step 5. Look for a section labeled Verification, Identity Verification, or Account Security. This is where the verification process begins. Step 6. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your account. This may include confirming your email address, phone number, or providing additional identification documents depending on DeviantArt's requirements. Step 7. If email verification is required, check your inbox for a verification email from DeviantArt. Click the verification link provided in the email to confirm your email address. Step 8. For phone verification, enter your mobile number and wait for a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the designated field to complete the process. Step 9. Some platforms may require additional identity verification, such as uploading a government-issued ID or proof of address. Prepare these documents in advance if needed. Step 10. After completing all verification steps, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your DeviantArt account has been successfully verified. Check your account status to ensure the verification badge or indicator is displayed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.